Morning.
Morning.
Have you got your license there?
Yes. Do I need to get my...
We've got a passenger to drop off this morning. You what, sorry?
Hi. Hi.
Do you need to what?
Do I need to take my practical test report as well?
No, no.
Sorry, theory test.
No. Just your license.
Okay.
Can I see your driver's license?
Yes.
Thank you. Right, get yourself in.
Sorry, I'm adjusting the seat.
No, don't worry about that.
I have a few questions, so
Yes.
I can ask later on.
What's your questions?
The questions are... so I was checking the tell me questions, right?
Yes.
And so the 3 questions at the end asking about
bonnet. Yes.
So is it possible to show?
Yeah, we'll do them at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those one, and also we can do that at the end is
Yes.
the show me questions, right? So this on the move, right? So this one is the for the dipping light.
Dip headlights.
Dip headlights. I know the window one. I want to know the demister for the front and rear demister. Front, back. Okay. And also I need to know how to clean and wash the front window.
Pull it towards you to stalk on the right hand side.
This one.
Pull it towards you.
Okay, for 2 seconds.
Go on, try it. Good.
Okay.
Back one. Twist towards you. No, just the end of it. Twist it towards you. There you go.
Okay. Right.
Got them?
Yes.
Any other questions?
No, those were the 3 questions about the bonnet and these.
Right.
So for show me were the demisters, and
Yes.
then washing 2 front rear.
We're going
window.
to do all them this morning.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah.
Perfect.
Now have you got seatbelt on? You're nice and comfortable, yeah?
Yeah. No, seatbelt is not on yet.
Now we need a lovely smooth drive today. Right, today we've got how do I pronounce your name?
Rajdeep, yes.
Rajdeep. Can we tell them what you do?
Yeah, of course.
Go on, fire away.
Hi, I am an assistant professor of finance at Durham University Business School.
Very smart guy. And how long you been driving in this country?
I have been not driving for long. I mean, I just started a couple of months back.
Yeah, had previous experience in a different country, didn't you?
Yes, I used to drive in India. I drove in India for almost 5 years, but that was long time ago, almost a decade or so ago.
Right, go on then, when you're ready. Now, when you check that blind spot, I want you to lean. That's it.
Yeah.
And just go. Yeah. So all mirrors, blind spot, and then just go. I want a lovely smooth drive today, sir. When you get in the car, the examiner put your license in the cup holder.
Okay.
Now we'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no. We'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes.
You won't come with me?
No. Too scared.
Who, you?
Yeah. Around about 10 left.
Scared for
10
what?
left. I get nervous when I take people's for tests.
Right.
See, that's a bit on the fast side, that. Just slow it down, get into second gear a couple of bus lengths back. The examiners are very nice.
Okay.
They want to give you a driver's license.
Okay. serious guy?
Serious?
Yeah.
Well, they're serious when they come to see you drive. But they're really nice. You know, they want to pass you.
No, serious in the mean like you are also serious, right? But while
When
training me, yeah.
When the mock test, yeah, he'll have a bit chat with you, yeah? But he wants to see you drive safely.
Yeah.
And if he sees that, then don't rush. Just don't rush when you pull off. Just handbrake goes fully to the floor and then gas clutch, yeah?
So you mean
No, just reverse down there, yes, in the corner. See the parking bay?
Yeah, there's only one parking bay over there.
Yeah, that's the one we're going to reverse into. Turn the wheel quickly. That's it. Now, when you come into the test centre today, go into first gear in here, yeah? Because it's really tight. Can you see the curb? Just keep us next to the curb, yeah? Left shoulder. Stay there, put a bit right hand down. That's it. Now straighten it up. Straighten it back up. Go on a bit further back. Bit further. That'll do. Right. Now you've drove really well today. Better than yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What time is it? Oh, you want to open the bonnet. Well, it's time to wish him the Rajdeep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the very best luck. We'll have a prediction. Are you going to pass or fail?
Well, if I drive with a cool head, I should pass.
How many? How many driver faults? How many minor faults?
I would say around between 7.
We'll go for
That's 7.
I'll
Seven,
go for 3 or 4. Just 3. Maybe it's 3 or 4, I should think. We'll hopefully get a first time pass of them. Right. Jump out, we'll open the bonnet, okay?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to wish the very best luck, sir.
Thank you. I made the mistake in the turning, right? And that led me to that bus lane, Tudhoe and Newcastle Durham, that one. And I did it properly, and he said, "Well done."
You said, "Well done."
Yeah. Well, not during the drive. When he finished, he was.
Well, we're getting back off test, Raj. You went off route, didn't you?
Yeah.
Back very late. I had me a bag of nerves. Tell them what you've done. Tell them.
Huh? Sorry.
Tell the camera what you're doing.
Well, I passed the exam.
Tell them how many faults you got.
I had 6 minor faults.
So he was spot on. I wasn't. Yeah. What were the 4?
So mainly the faults were one was I was driving too slow.
Yeah, couple of times.
Of times.
Which is unusual for him. He's normally very fast. What else?
And that was number. The other one was I was in a doubt to pick up the correct lane.
Yeah.
And in that situation, I decided to move to the correct lane at the last moment.
Yeah.
So it was too late. So I should have decided much earlier.
Yes.
So that was the third fault. And the other fault was I missed a junction. Well, I missed a exit in a roundabout. So what I did was I went around the entire roundabout. But he said that there were a couple of positions where I could have rectified my mistake. Yeah. Which I did not.
You got one for control, didn't you?
One
parallel park, yeah.
Parallel park, yeah.
Yeah. Well done. Was he all right with you, the examiner?
Yeah, he was so nice.
Was he?
Yeah.
Oh.
And he lives in Chester Street.
He's a test centre manager, him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well done, sir. Well done.
Thank you. No, credit goes to you.
Not to
Come
me.
on.
I didn't drive.
No, but you told me.
You